Morning students, welcome all of you. Today I'll teach you now indirect speech of tag question. How to make now the indirect speech of tag question. So first now, before now making now indirect narration of tag question, I show you first now examples of now tag questions. So let's now see. I am fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Now here am or am now this sentence now or a statement, it is not just no positive. So our tag question must be negative here. So am becomes now according to the rules now here aren't. We can't write now here am and apostrophe t. If we try to write now am and apostrophe t, it becomes wrong. So we have to write now aren't. Then after it is now our subject. So subject must be now the same pronoun now in the tag question. So I. Aren't I? So it is our tag question now. Next example. He won't do any task. Want. Now the second sentence has now negative meaning here. Want means now will not. So it is now negative. Our tag question must be now positive here. So I show you now. Will he? So these are examples of tag question. I think now after watching now all you have good knowledge about now these tag question. These are said now tag question here. Now come to learn now how to make now the indirect speech of tag question. My mother said to me. My mother said to me, I don't have much money today. Now here tag question. So first now our statement now I don't have much money today. We have to make now tag question for this statement. So do I? It is said now tag question. But our topic now here indirect speech of tag question. So how to make now indirect narration of tag question here now? So first now said must be changed into now asked here now. My friends, all you have to think now, this sentence has now said to here or in the reporting speech, there is now tag question with a statement. So said to must be changed into now asked here now. My mother asked me, or one thing now, all you have to remember now this thing here, RV and RS must be joined with now if now here. When we'll use now if here, if now there's a tag question. If there is now tag question, so RV and RS must be connected with now if. So after me, now I'm going to write now here if. So asked, my mother asked me if I means now first person. It is in the reporting speech of direct narration, first person. So first person must be changed according to now subject now my mother. So according to mother, we have to change now I. So instead of I, we have to write now she. Now here, present tense, simple present tense. It is the negative form of simple present tense. I don't have much money today. So don't, doesn't, they will change into now don't. She didn't, she didn't have much money that day, that day, that day. Today, it is now adverb. So today will be changed into now that day while we making now here indirect narration of tag question. Okay, let's see some more examples now here. She said, she said, she said to him, I will visit you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will visit you tomorrow. So now our statement is there now here positive. So tag question must be here now. Want, because I'm not now making now tag question here. Want I. Want I. So there is now use of now tag question in the reporting speech of direct narration. So how to now make now the indirect narration of tag question? Said to must be changed into first now asked. She asked. She asked. Now it is object. She asked him. Now in the earlier sentence now, I suggested all of you here now. We use now if to connect now RV and RS together if they are now tag question in the reporting speech of direct narration. She asked him if I first person subject now subjective case, so I must be changed into now she. So instead of I'm going to write now here she. Now here will plus B1, will plus B1. So will plus B1, shall plus B1, they will change into now here past. So would plus now B1. She would, will becomes now would, visit, and you, it is the second person. According to rule, I'll change now you according to him because that is no object here. So instead of you, him, and tomorrow adverb, change in adverb. So how to change now tomorrow here? Tomorrow, it must be changed into now here the next day. The next day. Next day. So it is now indirect narration of tag question now. Last one example. I said everyone, the sun is a big star. Big star. Isn't it? The sun is a big star, isn't it? So how to change now the same sentence into now indirect narration? So now here is also now said to, it is now RV, or that's one now RS. So said to must be changed into now asked here. So first step we have to write now asked. I asked everyone. In second step now here. Now we need to join the RV and RS together. So we have to use now here if instead of comma or inverted comma. Now I have used here now if the sun, it means now the subject or third person. So third person can't be changed now neither to subject nor to object here. So we have to write the same, the sun, or it is universal truth here, universal truth. So we can't now change the tense from direct to indirect. The sun is a big star, big star. And last now, we no need to write now here, tag question in the indirect narration of now, tag question. हामी लास्टमा हामी यो भिडियो हामी के बुझ्छौँ भने ट्याग क्वेसनको जब हामी इन्डाइरेक्ट नरेसन बनाउँछौँ भने फर्स्ट स्टेपमा हामी सेट टुलाई हामी केमा चेन्ज गर्नुपर्छ भने आस्कमा र आरभी र आरएसलाई हामी केले जोड्ने त इफले जोड्ने र लास्ट स्टेप के हो भने ट्याग क्वेसनलाई इन्डाइरेक्ट नरेसनमा लेख्नु हुँदैन This video is now most useful for everyone. Please watch it now here. Thanks all of you.